Hello traders! In this video, I will explain and demonstrate how to purchase and use NFT memberships. I won't delve into the details of the differences between various subscriptions, their advantages and benefits. I've covered all of that in the membership video, which you can find on our website. This video is more technical and will guide you through the advantages of NFT memberships over regular memberships and provide step-by-step instructions on how to achieve this. Let's begin with the benefits of NFT memberships over regular ones. As you may know or will soon find out, NFT stands for non-fungible token, which means it's a unique token. In our case, this NFT grants its owner the ability to use our platform. And here's the main advantage of NFT memberships. You have the ability to transfer this NFT to anyone else. You can give the NFT membership to a friend or relative while you're not using the GT protocol platform. You can also sell the NFT membership to anyone else. You can purchase any number of NFT memberships and gift them to others. In short, there are many possibilities. However, achieving all this with a regular subscription rather than an NFT membership is impossible. Well, unless you fully transfer your account credentials, which is not the best option, as you can probably guess. So now that we've covered the advantages, let's move on to the technical part. First, let's acquire an NFT membership. Go to the memberships page in your GT protocol account, click the NFT button, connect your Metamask or Wallet Connect wallet. I'll connect Metamask. After connecting, a confirmation will appear on the website. Before proceeding, ensure you have sufficient funds in your balance to purchase the NFT membership in USDT on the Binance Smart Chain network. Naturally, I'll be purchasing the unlimited subscription. It costs $3,000, but there's a limited time 50% discount. Friends, make sure to take advantage of this. Click the buy button. In the process, I also had to increase the spending limit for my wallet. Then I confirm the purchase of the NFT membership. Wait for network confirmation and periodically refresh the page. After confirmation, your NFT membership will appear on the NFT tab and will be automatically activated. After this, you can fully use the GT protocol platform according to the chosen membership. If you bought the NFT membership for yourself, no further action is required to use it. However, if you plan to manage this NFT membership in the future or transfer it to someone else, a few more steps are needed. By default, your NFT may not appear in your Metamask or Wallet Connect wallet. You need to add it manually. Open your wallet, find the transaction for the NFT purchase, and open this transaction in a block explorer. Here you'll need some data, namely the contract address and the token ID. Copy the contract address. In your wallet, go to the NFT tab and click Import NFT. Paste the contract address into the address field. Enter the token ID and click Add. Now, your NFT is added to your wallet. By the way, the actual NFT image might differ from mine. That's not crucial. Now, I'll show you how to send the NFT membership to another wallet. You'll need the recipient's wallet address on the Binance Smart Chain network. First, you need to unsubscribe from the platform. Go to the membership section, click the NFT button, and then click the unsubscribe button. Until you do this, you won't be able to send the NFT. You'll also need to sign this transaction in your wallet. Enter the wallet, go to the NFT tab, find your NFT, and click on it. Click Send and confirm the transaction. That's it. The NFT membership has been sent. Now, its recipient can use it and connect it to their GT protocol account. All they need to do is log into their account and in the NFT section on the membership page, link their wallet to the website and click the Start Now button. If you encounter any difficulties while using the platform, remember that our support team will help you resolve any technical questions. Thank you for your attention. I hope this information will help you make the right decisions and achieve your financial goals in trading. I recommend watching these videos. They will help you better interact with the GTAPP platform, which in turn will lead to higher profits for you. I also kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and other social networks. You will find links to them in the description of this video.